Hello guys, you use my phone Asus ZenFone 6. This version 6GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory. Start unpacking. Okay, look completion. In completion we have key for SIM slot, guarantee papers and protected back cover. Device in the black color. Device. In completion we have adapter for charging, headphones and USB Type-C cable. That's all. Device made of glass and metal. On the back side double camera flip, main and front camera, this flip camera. On the back side fingerprint scanner. On the left side power key, volume keys and smart key. On the right side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the front side display 6.4 inch. On the downside port USB Type-C, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device, display IPS, Full HD Plus resolution. Okay, open settings, look Android version, system, about phone, Android 9. Close this and open tests. We have Qualcomm Snapdragon 852. This is octa-core processor, 4 plus 3 plus 1 cores. GPU 630, resolution and display PPA. Okay, look results, CPU test results and GPU test results. GPU Adreno 630. Onto the benchmark results. Okay, very good result. Ranking. We have 3 place. Close this and open the mobile game GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas works on the device. Display setup max and resume game. Game works perfect, without lags and glitches. Very good gameplay. Okay, cool. Close this and talk about camera. Double main camera, 38 plus 13 megapixels. Okay, it's main camera and flip camera. Turn on. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.